Fibroadenoma, yun ang sinasabing benign condition of the breast, adenoma. Yung fibroadenoma po, meron kaming size na binabantayan bago namin i-recommenda na tanggalin. Normally, it's about 2 centimeters. But fibroadenoma po, sabi namin, pag obserba mo ng matagal ng panahon, hindi naman po siya magiging cancerous in the future. Only a very small percentage of this group of benign conditions of the breast will lead to malignancy. Okay? Pero, kailangan kayo ma-examine ng isang eksperto para mabigyan kayo. Depende po kasi sa kapa, depende ko anong family history ninyo, depende anong nakita sa ultrasound. We have what you call as triple assessment. Ano ba yung triple assessment? Kailangan namin malaman yung history ninyo, kailangan namin malaman yung examination namin sa dede ninyo, at pangatlo, imaging na nakita namin kung kailangan bang tanggalin yan o may risk yung bukol na yan na kailangan tanggalin or kailangan i-biopsy o obserbahan, maging cancer ba in the future o hindi. So those 3 important parts or tools that we need in order to give you a proper evaluation.